Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hampton Inn and Suites Tallahassee I-10-Thomasville Road. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Hello. We can't wait to accommodate you. Starting the beginning of June through the end of January 2024, our hotel will be undergoing renovations. But don't fret, we will still be open and ready to take care of you. Directly off motorway I-10 and offering many modern amenities, including free high-speed internet access, this Tallahassee hotel is only a short distance from area sites, including the state capitol building. Area attractions, including Florida State University and Governor's Square Mall, can be found close to the Hampton Inn and Suites Tallahassee I-10-Thomasville Road. The Brogan Museum of Art and Science along with Wakulla Springs State Park are also nearby. With signature Cloud9 beds, in-room coffee makers and a free daily hot breakfast, every stay at the I-10 Tallahassee Hampton Inn and Suites is sure to be enjoyable. The hotel also features an on-site fitness center, complete with an outdoor swimming pool. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.